Obviously we sell so many four-wheel drives here. The one that we sell the most of really is this, the Land Rover Defender. And we've just bought this. Love the colour combination, full black pack. This is a 71 plate, so 2171, just 13,000 miles. But it's just been serviced at the dealer at 12,000 miles. And really, sales points for me trying to sell this vehicle to you. One, full Land Rover history. Two, its condition is outstanding, inside and out. It's beautiful, beautiful, could be brand new. It's got air suspension, it's got opening sunroof, it's got detachable tow bar. Now, another big feature is the combination of the colours. So Acorn full leather interior on this car against that silver. That's unique, it's rare, and it'll, for me, is what it's going to sell from that interior combination. The full leather's lovely, the opening roof is lovely, of course. The air suspension is a big one from the 3-litre diesel engine that this car has. Colour is Hakuba silver, it looks fabulous. We've obviously got full black pack with black roof, black mirrors, black badges, midsection, 110 bonnet decal in matte black, and then we've obviously got that combination of when you get a silver car like this, you get that full painted front end, which looks great, doesn't it? Now this is an S model, but with options. So we've got the 19-inch wheels in gloss black, fixed steps, obviously front and rear mud flaps, which is an option, keyless entry was an option, sliding roof option, black pack option, roof rails option, spare wheel cover in black as an option, and the detachable tow bar. The 110 coming with loads of space, big boot space. You can just move this like so. We've obviously got air suspension switchable from the back on the left under the boot floor. We've got a bit more space. Your detachable tow bar is there as well. And when I mentioned the condition at the beginning of the video, it's really important because sometimes a car like this on a 21, which means it's like, you know, a few years old now, can come in and look a little bit tired. Not this car. It is wonderful order, exterior paint wise and interior wise, especially seat, dashboard, steering wheel, all in fabulous, fabulous condition. Now, one thing that Land Rover did when they brought out the 3-litre version in late 21 is stop doing air suspension as standard. They put it as a cost option. So this particular vehicle has that air suspension. It's a commonly asked for option on these that doesn't come very often. This one's got it, so that's a big selling point. Now jumping in, we've got full digital interface behind the steering wheel. That's all switchable. I've got my rev counter and my clock set up with my map display in the middle. That's how I like it. Cruise control, lane departure, switchable on the steering wheel. Then we've got things, if you come inside, this is where your air suspension is switched here, so we can raise and lower the car here. Heated front seat with heated front and rear screens. We've then got the Pivi Pro interface with 360 camera, obviously full top view and 3D camera system. Towing camera because we've got a tow bar, off-road camera if you want to take it off-road. That's all magnificent and fabulous stuff. We've then got navigation, Bluetooth, media integration, and your four-wheel drive and terrain settings. That's standard in the car, but then when you link your phone up to this vehicle, which is wireless, you can then continue using your phone through the car, through voice. Talking to Siri is what I use on Apple, or I think it's Alexa on the Google one, but that's brilliant. The smartphone integration in these cars is great. Then we've got the opening sunroof, tilting and sliding. And then another option obviously is this full leather seat, which I'm sat on. So if you look at the condition of the seat and everything, it's really, really nice, and loads of space in the back. But I love the combination, again, I'll mention that word, of the colours. So the silver with the black pack to the exterior, and then that Acorn full leather is really desirable, and this car is being priced to the market to sell. So if you're in the market for a 3-litre Defender like this, I've looked at what else is for sale. This is by far the best example for the money you can get. Really low mileage, really awesome condition on the website now. Thanks for watching.